Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can install your Foxtel IQ5 setup with the full guide. So I have mentioned each and everything. The very first thing, you will need all these equipments, that is Foxtel IQ5 box, remote control batteries, two Foxtel cable and TV aerial cable and adapter, HDMI cable. It should be 4K compatible, and the last thing, that is power pack. Once you have done it, let's move to the first part. So the very first thing you have to do, remove the rubber port protected from the underside of the IQ5. So once you just turn upper side, you will find this rubber. You have to remove this, then connect the hard drive by pushing the IQ5 downwards onto the hard drive until it lock into place. Now the second method is really easy, but you have to make sure you focus in this video. Ensure your TV and any existing Foxtel box are turned off at the wall. Right, so once you turn off, if you have a satellite dish connect the necessary cables. If not, disregard the satellite cable and connect via the internet. Now connect the HDMI cable from the IQ5 to your TV. So once you have connected each and everything, as you can see here on the screen, the third step is install or insert the batteries into the remote control, turn on the power to IQ5 and turn on your TV. Right, now fourth step, that's really easy. Your screen will show up, and as you can see here on the screen, after powering on, follow the guided setup prompts that appears on your TV screen. You may be prompted to enter your default pin, which could be 1 2 3 4, or if you have a by default pin, then of course you can just change it later. And to change this, go to the parental control under settings. Now everything is done. The last step is complete any additional setup steps as prompted, including connecting to your internet if necessary. So this is really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.